Hey, this is Rich, and today's price action will be for March 23rd, 2020, coming into Monday after a pretty volatile weekend of news. Obviously, no trading because the markets were closed, but now we're seeing we started the futures open last night with a limit down, and then the Fed came in and provided all kinds of stimulus to corporate debt, mortgages, everything, and the futures completely flipped 180. But now, as you can see, once the markets got open, we're heading back down to the lows. And we will watch the price action because we are not going to trade this. Guaranteed not going to trade this right now. Look at the SPY. It's down 241. It did get down to 225, which is another point and a half away. And if we go further out on a 1 month chart, zoom in a little bit, you can see the drop off here. I have this line from previous. It kind of held there for a second, then dropped through. So we dropped through a support line there. Price action is just not pretty right now, and it's just not worth taking the risk. Now I expect this thing to flush pretty good down to the 22. And then possibly reverse. If the stimulus plan they're talking about in the government, the House and Senate needs to pass, we could get a monster rally. But we're still in the beginning of this phase of who knows what's going to happen. If you're on the long side, you're looking for quick in and outs, I believe. I know we've fallen so far down. It's just too risky to get in a long trade right now and not get beat up. Now, you could catch the day where we do get a nice rally. Great. Other than that, we're going to look for shorts, good entries, and currently we're going to hit lows of the day. It looks like on this 5-minute SPY chart. Let's check out Apple. Apple's definitely been my catalyst all along. I've been talking SPY, but Apple, look at Apple just dropping. It's down 5.5. Even on Friday when we start to rally before the we should drop down, Apple was below everyone else. And, everyone looks to Apple as a catalyst towards the market because think about it, they have the most cash out of anyone. And if they're losing on stock value, excuse me, you can expect others to as well. So look at them, they're hitting the lows of the day and they're going to break down here. It's just not pretty. To find a trade right now. So we're just going to hold off for the moment and I'll come back. SPY's hitting lows of the day too. You can see the SPXS is breaking up to the north side, which is expected when the SPY is dropping. So we're going to watch this. I just got to be careful out there, people. All right. Hopefully you watch this video and learn something about not forcing trades. Okay. So we'll be right back. Okay, guys, we are back here. It's now 10 o'clock. We saw the nice push up on the SPXS and then the fall off for 4 candles. Now we have this inside bar here. We're going to watch it pretty closely. If it breaks below it, it could go down to around the 25 level. If not, we can look for a long trade above 26.5, 26.52. But we're going to watch it and come back and see what happens. Well, we stepped away for a few minutes and we come back and you can see this inside bar here on the SPY. We're back on the SPY. We left from the SPXS to the SPY and then we had a smaller inside bar on the next particular candle. Once this broke out above this, it was a potential trade at 226.89, and if it got above 22743, you're in good shape. And obviously you can see we are definitely shaping to the north side right now in a rough market. You could take your points here. I think it might come back down into consolidation range. They're waiting for that stimulus information. Obviously it's going to probably boost the market pretty good at first, and then we can probably turn back around. Even this trade isn't really working out too well right now. I mean, it could explode to 230 here. It's a fight. There's not as many buyers right now, but then again, people don't want this. They don't want the market to go to crap, and we're stuck in a situation where we're trying to reinvest our money that we don't have. So it is falling a little bit. This could be another chance to get back in it at this support level now. Otherwise, it turns around and we go back south. So we got to watch it closely. I'll finish it up with this. Maybe I'm going to write a post about it, and we'll go from there, just so this video doesn't drag on all day long. Until the stimulus information comes out, I'm not even going to discuss potential new trades. But this was a decent setup on a normal day. You're talking about the breakout of these inside bars. Now we have another bar. If this gets above this wick here, we could see a nice run, but it's just too early to tell. So we're going to close it out. This is Rich for some price action. Let me know if you have any questions, and talk to you soon.